Our universe is full of mysteries, and one of the greatest mysteries is the nature of dark matter. Despite comprising over 85% of the matter in the universe, we still know very little about this elusive substance. Dark matter makes up approximately 85% of the matter in the universe, yet it is invisible and does not interact with light, making it extremely difficult to study. In this video, we will explore what we know about dark matter, how it was discovered, and what scientists are doing to learn more about it. Dark matter is a form of matter that does not interact with light and is therefore invisible. It does, however, have a gravitational effect on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. The existence of dark matter was first proposed in the 1930s by the Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky, who noticed that the observed mass of galaxy clusters was not sufficient to account for the observed gravitational pull. When astronomers first observed the rotation of galaxies, they noticed something strange. The outer edges of the galaxy were rotating just as fast as the inner parts, which contradicted what we know about gravity. According to the laws of gravity, the outer parts should be moving more slowly. This led astronomers to the realization that there must be something else at play, something invisible that was affecting the rotation of galaxies. This something else became known as dark matter. Since then, numerous observations have confirmed the existence of dark matter, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, the rotation of galaxies, and the distribution of gravitational lenses. Scientists have been searching for dark matter for decades using a variety of techniques. One method is to look for dark matter particles that interact very weakly with normal matter. These particles are known as weakly interacting massive particles, or WIMPs. Experiments such as the Large Hadron Collider and the Cryogenic Dark Matter Search have been searching for WIMPs for many years, but so far, no conclusive evidence has been found. Another method is to look for the effects of dark matter on visible matter. For example, when dark matter passes through a star, it may cause the star to wobble slightly, or it may cause a gravitational lensing effect. One way we observe the effects of dark matter is through gravitational lensing. When light from a distant object passes through a cluster of galaxies, the gravity of the dark matter bends the light, creating a magnifying effect. This allows us to see objects that would otherwise be too dim to detect. Scientists are also looking for the annihilation of dark matter particles, which would produce gamma rays that could be detected. Although we cannot see dark matter, we know that it plays a crucial role in the structure and evolution of the universe. Dark matter provides the gravitational glue that holds galaxies together and is responsible for the formation of large-scale structures, such as galaxy clusters. However, the exact nature of dark matter remains a mystery. It could be made up of particles that we have not yet discovered, or it could be a manifestation of a deeper underlying theory of the universe. Many scientists believe that studying dark matter could lead to a better understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe. As technology and our understanding of the universe continue to evolve, scientists are developing new and more sophisticated methods for studying dark matter. The next generation of experiments, such as the European Space Agency's Euclid satellite and the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, will provide even more data and insights into the nature of dark matter. In addition, scientists are also exploring alternative theories to explain the observed effects of dark matter. For example, modified Newtonian dynamics, or MOND, proposes that the gravitational effects of dark matter can be explained by modifying our understanding of gravity, rather than by the existence of a new type of matter. Dark matter is one of the greatest mysteries in the universe, and scientists are still searching for answers. Although we do not yet know what dark matter is made of, we do know that it plays a crucial role in the structure and evolution of the universe. The search for dark matter continues, and as our technology and understanding of the universe continue to evolve, we may one day uncover the secrets of this elusive substance. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Explorexia. We hope you enjoyed exploring the unknown with us. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for new and exciting content.